5 healthy breakfast foods that help you lose weight. Number 1. Egg. Rich in protein and a wealth of important vitamins and minerals, such as selenium and riboflavin, eggs are a true powerhouse of nutrition. Thanks to their high protein content, eggs may reduce appetite when eaten with breakfast to give weight loss a serious boost. For example, one study in 30 overweight women showed that eating eggs for breakfast significantly increased feelings of fullness and reduced food intake later in the day, compared to eating a bagel. Similarly, another study in 152 adults found that replacing a bagel breakfast with eggs resulted in 65% more weight loss and a 34% greater decrease in waist circumference over an 8-week period. From boiled to scrambled to sunny side up, there are many different ways to enjoy your eggs. Try cooking up 2 or 3 eggs any style, then combining them with a serving of your favorite veggies, for a nutritious and delicious breakfast. Number 2. Bananas. High in fiber but low in calories, bananas are a great alternative to sugary breakfast cereals to satisfy your sweet tooth first thing in the morning. One medium banana has just over 100 calories yet packs 3 grams of dietary fiber, knocking out up to 12% of your daily fiber needs in one shot. Fiber helps slow the emptying of your stomach to curb cravings and keep you feeling fuller longer. Multiple studies have found that upping your intake of fiber from fruits and vegetables is associated with increased weight loss. Additionally, unripe bananas are a good source of resistant starch, a type of starch that your stomach and small intestine don't digest. Research suggests that resistant starch may help reduce food intake and decrease belly fat. Bananas can be enjoyed alone or sliced as a topping for yogurt, cottage cheese or oatmeal. You can also add unripe, green bananas to your morning smoothie for a hearty dose of resistant starch. Number 3. Yogurt. Creamy, delicious and satisfying, yogurt makes an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. In particular, Greek yogurt delivers a hearty chunk of protein in every serving, making it an ideal weight loss breakfast food. One study in 20 women found that eating high-protein yogurt as a snack decreased levels of hunger and reduced food intake by 100 calories later in the day, compared to unhealthy snacks like chocolate and crackers. Another study in 8,516 people showed that those who ate at least 7 servings of yogurt each week had a lower risk of being overweight or obese compared to those who did not regularly consume yogurt. Try combining 1 cup 285 grams of Greek yogurt with some mixed fruit, chia seeds or wheat germ for an especially nutritious breakfast. Number 4. Berries. Berry varieties such as strawberries, blueberries, blackberries and raspberries are all incredibly nutrient-dense, meaning they're low in calories but packed with essential nutrients. In addition to providing many important vitamins and minerals, berries are rich in fiber, which may reduce hunger and food intake. In fact, one study in 12 women found that swapping a high-sugar afternoon snack for a serving of mixed berries reduced calorie intake later in the day by an average of 133 calories. Another study in 133,468 adults showed that each daily serving of berries was associated with 1.1 pounds (0.5 kilograms) of weight loss over a 4-year period. Add berries to your morning smoothie, oatmeal or yogurt to take advantage of the unique weight-busting benefits. Number 5. Grapefruits. Grapefruits are a popular component of many diets and weight loss programs, and for good reason. Besides being low in calories, grapefruits have a high water and fiber content, both of which can be beneficial for weight loss. One study in 91 obese adults showed that eating half a grapefruit before meals resulted in significant weight loss, compared to a control group. In the 12-week study, participants who ate grapefruit lost an average of 3.5 pounds (1.6 kilograms), about 5 times more than the control group.